We about to change these bad boys, these LED lights right here. We about to change these out with these new ones. So on both sides, so you see like how they look kind of, you know, they stop. Pretty much about to change them out on both sides to really make this bitch look good. So you see this, how this junk look. Hey, y'all don't mind this little, you know, I live in the country. So that's how that shit look. So we about to change this out. I don't know where I just did that.
Okay.
Alright, y'all. Check me out. Check me out. So, we about to take these. Damn, Kai, what you doing?
You zoomed in.
You zoomed in the wrong. So, we basically about to take these. Y'all, see, I ain't really putting no lotion on tonight, so don't mind me. Alright, y'all. So we got the T10 bit. Why is you zooming on my feet? You zooming on the wrong thing. God damn. So we about to do this. So you see this? I'm fine with this stuff, y'all. I don't know if I'm going the right way. I'm going the right way. No, I think that's the wrong way. Hold on. I think that's the wrong way. I think it's this way. Yeah, okay. So we gonna twist this bad boy that way. So we don't want to script it, so you don't script it. I'm teaching y'all some stuff. Dirty ass. So we don't want to script it. I forgot which way I was. Okay, yeah, I was turning this way. All right, so we gonna keep going. All right, yeah. So we gonna turn this. Bruh, hey. Big ass fucking. So I think it's actually. Look at me, y'all. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So basically, y'all, so we see the screw up in here. It's a little bit struggling. Because we want to get that screw out. Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God.
I thought you knew what you was doing.
I went the wrong way. Alright, y'all, so we gonna. It's a little bit hard because I got all these fucking bugs all over me. So we gonna. What the fuck? So we about to screw this out, y'all. So we about to take this screw out. Hold on. So
terrible. Just terrible.
Oh Lord. Okay. So, cause I didn't want to script this motherfucker. So we got this one. We got one out, y'all. It took me. Hold on. What the fuck is this? Y'all don't mind me, cause we stay in the country. We stay with all these goddamn bugs and stuff. All right. So you see how we getting it? Okay. Okay, I'm doing something. All right.
Did you research?
No, I ain't really did nothing. I ain't going to cap to you. I just pretty much just. Hold on. Fuck, we ain't trying to script it. These things are so freaking easy to script. So we about to go in just like that, cause we a go-go gadget. How many percentage that junk on?
41.
41. Alright, y'all, so we about to take this out. Hold on. So, okay. So you see this? So we pulling this off. So you see how that light is up in there? I think I got, okay, we're gonna turn some of this shit, cause, okay. So you see how this is? So we basically just gonna pop this out, just like that. Hold on, y'all, this shit not trying to cooperate. So we basically wanna push this in. Hey y'all, this shit is like hard as hell. I ain't going to cap. So we basically, alright y'all, I see it's time to come out. Alright, so basically we got it out. This thing do not want to come out. I don't really know why, but we ain't gonna kind of go too crazy with it. So we basically gonna pop this thing out. Hold on, y'all. It's got like a little wire. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Yeah, you can go ahead and turn that shit off right now. So we got, you see the light that we got, y'all? So we basically about to take it out. So, shit, this bitch hot as fuck. So we about to take, hold on, y'all. Hold on. So we got this piece out, but the thing that we gonna have to keep is, hold on, so we gonna keep that right here. So we just gotta take this light out. So we took this little light out. So we basically wanna put this bit. Damn, I really don't. Ugh. So we're gonna put this right back in the box like that. And we got the new bad boys right here. So the new ones, these are the better ones and stuff. So we basically gonna do, so we pretty much gonna add this right back in. So we're gonna add this right back inside the thing. But yeah, I'm getting fucked up out here by all these goddamn hitter bugs and shit. So we basically gonna put that back in. We're gonna get this. Basically gonna get this. And we gonna hold on y'all. Hold on y'all. So we about to take this right back out because I'm struggling a little bit, man. Hold on. Alright, so this is what I want you to do. Go ahead and cut the light on for me.
What light?
Go ahead and open it up and pretty much just turn it back on audio. I got it. So yeah guys, so we about to turn it back on. So basically y'all, I mean turn it back on like to make it stay on. So y'all see how the light is. So it's fire, just like that, y'all. Oh, y'all, I'm fire with the shit. Y'all come hit me up. I'll get y'all right. Damn, my knees all messed up and junk. But yeah. So y'all see how we got the thing. You see how we got this, because I'm fire with this. I'm fire with it for real. So we basically just gonna put this right back in here. Hold on. Good. So we basically gonna, damn, we got the part. So we basically gotta kind of go clockwise in this shit. So you gotta snap that shit on just like that. So basically we don't want to peel it off right now. Cause we got this, and all thing you do is just put that junk right back in. Hold on. So you see how we snapping that? Oh, 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 oh. Hit that shit for real. So yeah, y'all. So you see how we got this thing is. So we basically getting this right. So go ahead and record that. So y'all see how we got the. You see how we add the lights to it. You know what I'm saying? We done add the lights. That bit look fire. So yeah, y'all. So we'll get back with y'all when we get finished adding them all on each side. We can really go ahead and show good little videos.
You can't even. It's like tight up.
I think the only thing, if I really want to remove that shit, I'm gonna have to really take out the I'm gonna have to take the tire off.
That's too much.
Hell yeah. Oh shit, I'm dropping shit, y'all. So basically, y'all, we at the back. In the back is so like get that zoom in. We gotta type that shit in. You zoomed all the way in. So we basically trying to get this back piece out before we can actually take this part out. And this
Bro, this fucking mosquito on my fucking ear.
Oh yeah, y'all, this shit is really, I think the back tire is really the most difficult part to take out. I'm up here looking like Bob the Builder. So we're basically taking these parts out, and we got one more part, and this shit is way up here. Oh my lord. I don't even know how I'm doing this, y'all. I think the most hardest junk is really gonna be, but yeah. Oh my lord. Oh yeah, we're here. Holy shit. I think this shit making me hot, y'all. Okay, from the scale, from my hypothesis, that the back piece is the most, I'm not never putting these lights back on. So we up in here trying to, my retarded ass. So we basically got.
Finally, oh my goodness, that take the longest.
So we basically getting these parts off. So so we got one part out. Hold on, I can't do everything at once. Hold on.
Hurry up.
So we basically got this, and we about to
Put this one on.
Yeah.
Grab it.
Take that. Go like that. Turn it like that.
And then put this one back in there.
Alright, y'all, so we got a few of these done, knocked out the way. And we still going. I think I did like a few sides of this jump. We did that side. And now we working on this side right now. But yeah, I'll get back when y'all, cause my camera about to die and jump. But yeah. Alright, y'all, man, we just got the lights off. And basically, we're gonna peel all of this off. And that light just looking perfect, man. So we're gonna put this right back in the box when I left everything else up in here and jump. So we got one light right there. Got one light right over here. Peel that junk off. Just like that. Like that. See, and we got this light right here. Put that off. And we got this. So we're basically gonna put everything back in this box. Just like that. now we gonna see. Hey, yeah, bro, this jump was a pain. Right there. Right there. Right there. And right there, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all some more when it get nighttime. But yeah. Hey y'all, okay, I had to make sure it is my what up YouTube. So today, you know what I'm saying, I'm back from my long freaking day. And you know, I'm in the car right now. You know, I'm chilling. But today, guys, I don't know if this junk zoomed in all the way in my face. I can't tell. Okay, hopefully that junk not zoomed all the way. But hopefully the junk not zoomed all the way in my face. But we thought the new the side marks, the LED side marks on my car, and it bit look better than the freaking original ones on my car. I already got I got a before and the after video of those in the thing. So we gonna get out the car and I'm gonna show y'all how they look. Hold on. So basically, I know y'all see all my car and junk, but yeah. So you know what I'm saying? It's like I'm doing this junk at 11:56. But yeah, this is my motivation. You know, you would be the first million. Fuck. Y'all get the damn thing, millionaire in the family, you know. Boom. So it's 11, y'all, and you know. Damn, y'all, hold on. I ain't even put the damn right. But yeah, y'all. So it's freaking. Hold on. But yeah, y'all. It's freaking that time, and you know, I know y'all mess with the damn things, but yeah. We got the side marks coming crazy. We got the Camaro, like, ooh. Which I probably can't see that bit, but that bit is light, right? That bit is light, ooh. Pretty much go with the light. That bit hidden though.